Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Family Sharing invite not working. Have you tried sending or accepting a Steam Family Sharing invite only to find that it isn't working? Whether the invitation never arrives, can't be accepted, or the family group won't update correctly, this issue can be frustrating and prevent you from sharing your game library with friends or family members. Fortunately, there are several proven fixes that can usually resolve the problem in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Steam Family Sharing invites not working. First, make sure both accounts are using the latest version of Steam. Outdated clients can cause synchronization issues that prevent family invitations from being sent or received properly. Restart Steam and allow any pending updates to install. Next, verify that both accounts are signed in and have SteamGuard enabled. Steam family features often require additional account security, and missing SteamGuard authentication can interfere with the invitation process. If the invite isn't appearing, ask the sender to cancel the existing invitation and send a new one. Sometimes invitations become stuck due to temporary server errors or synchronization errors. Sending a fresh invite can often resolve the problem immediately. You should also check the Family Management section in Steam. Open Steam Settings, select Family, and confirm that both accounts meet the requirements for Steam Family Sharing. If either account has reached a family group limit or has recently changed families, Steam may temporarily restrict new invitations. Another common fix is to completely sign out of Steam on both accounts involved in the family sharing setup. Once you've signed out, close Steam entirely and restart both computers if possible. After the restart, sign back into Steam and allow it a few moments to fully synchronize your account information. If you're using a VPN, proxy service, or custom network configuration, consider disabling it temporarily before sending or accepting the invite. While VPNs can be useful for privacy, they sometimes interfere with Steam's ability to verify account locations and communicate properly with family sharing services. Temporarily disable these services, restart Steam, and then try sending or accepting the invitation again. If the invite works afterward, you may need to add Steam to your firewall or antivirus exception list to prevent the issue from returning. You should also verify that Steam servers are operating normally. If there's a temporary outage or maintenance period, invitations may fail to send or appear until the service is restored. If the problem continues, remove any pending invitations, wait a few minutes, and then create a new invite. In some cases, Steam needs time to clear outdated invitation data before a new request can be processed successfully. After trying these solutions, the Steam Family Sharing invite should be sent and accepted correctly, allowing both accounts to access the family group and shared game libraries. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.